How to share screen on Messenger video call. So first thing what you can do is just head over to your settings. Once you call the person, make sure you have set it the speaker to his phone or speaker, and just come back from over here. And now all you have to do is just click on this video and gallery section. So once the person responds to your call, you can just simply tap on this video icon over here, or gallery with the video icon right next to the right of the mic. So once you tap on it, this screen will be popping up, and you can simply click on this start sharing and just click on start sharing, and then just click on share, and your screen should be successfully shared during your Messenger video call. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.